In this video, you'll learn how to deploy a Node.js application to AWS using Claude Code. By following these instructions, you will successfully prepare your application and deploy it to the AWS IaC Beanstalk service. Begin by opening PowerShell on your computer. Once it's open, create a new directory for your application by typing mkdir myors app and pressing enter. This command will create a folder named myors app. After that, navigate into this directory with the command -cd myors app. You will now be inside the myors app folder, ready for the next steps. Next, initialize a node.js project by running npm init-y. This command generates a default package.json file in your directory. After this, install the Express framework by executing npm install express. This will allow you to create a web server. Now you need to create a file named server.js. You can do this by typing notepad server.js in PowerShell. This command opens Notepad where you can write your server code, copy and paste the following code into Notepad. Const express equals require express, const apples express, const port express dot mverd, port vertical bar 3000 out, app.get res send hello AWS appless, port console.log server running on port. After pasting the code, save the file and close Notepad. To test your application locally, run the command node server.js in PowerShell. This will start your server. Open a web browser and navigate to http://localhost 3000. If everything is functioning correctly, you should see hello AWS displayed on the page. Once you have confirmed it works, stop the server by pressing Ctrl+C in PowerShell. Next, you will utilize Claude Code to prepare your application for AWS deployment. Start Claude by typing Claude in PowerShell. Once Claude is running, paste the following request. Prepare my node.js app for AWS deployment. Use process.mbid. Port, add a start script to package.json and return updated server.json start script. Apply the suggestions provided by Claude. After making the changes, exit Claude by typing exit. Now you need to add the start script in your package.json file. Open it again using notepad package.json. Ensure that the scripts section of the file contains scripts start node server.js. It's time to initialize Git for version control. In PowerShell, type git init to create a new Git repository. Next, add all your files to Git with git add and commit your changes using git commit-m initial commit. This will save your initial application state in the repository. Install the AWS command line interface by running wenget install Amazon AWS CLI. After the installation, install the Elastic Beanstalk command line interface with pip install or ceviche. Once both are installed, configure your AWS settings using the command configure. You will be prompted to enter your access key ID, secret key, default region output format, which should be set to JSON. Now, initialize Elastic Beanstalk by executing ebinit, select the platform as node.js and set the region to default options to continue. Then create a new environment by typing eb create myors app environment. This process may take a few minutes as AWS prepares your environment. Finally, deploy your application using the command of a deploy. Once the deployment is complete, check your application by visiting http://my-asdab-m.region.elasticbeanstalk.com. Your node.js application should now be live on AWS. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.